Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho ramen. First, let's create the flavorful broth. Begin by simmering beef bones or chicken for a rich base, about 2 pounds. Toast aromatic pho spices such as star anise, cinnamon sticks, and whole cloves until fragrant. Add these spices, along with charred ginger and onion, to your simmering broth. Allow it to cook gently for at least 2 hours to develop a truly deep and complex flavor. Next, we prepare the essential components that complete your bowl. Cook your ramen noodles according to package instructions, ensuring they are perfectly al dente, not mushy. Thinly slice your chosen protein, perhaps a 1/4 pound of raw beef or cooked chicken. Prepare soft-boiled eggs, aiming for a delightful jammy yolk. Finally, chop fresh green onions, cilantro, and have bean sprouts ready for a burst of freshness. Now comes the exciting part, assembling your delicious pho ramen bowl. Start by placing a generous portion of your perfectly cooked ramen noodles into a large, deep bowl. Artfully arrange your thinly sliced protein and the halved soft-boiled eggs on top of the noodles. Carefully ladle about 2 cups of the steaming, aromatic broth over all the ingredients, ensuring everything is submerged. To truly personalize your pho ramen, it's time for customization. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro, thinly sliced green onions, and a handful of crisp bean sprouts. A squeeze of fresh lime juice adds a wonderful bright acidity. For an extra kick, consider adding a dash of sriracha or a spoonful of hoisin sauce. Take a moment to appreciate your unique culinary creation before diving in and enjoying every single slurp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.